ICICI Prudential Innovation Fund is an open-ended equity scheme following the innovation theme. This scheme invests in companies that introduce new or innovative technology, processes, platforms, products, and services to the customers. By leveraging trending opportunities, these companies aim to stay ahead of the curve, reimagining disruptions as pathways to the lasting growth. As an actively managed scheme, it seeks long-term capital growth by predominantly investing in equity and equity-related securities of companies and units of global mutual funds or ETFs that can benefit from innovation strategies and themes. The scheme may also invest up to 20% of its assets in other equity and equity-related instruments. When it comes to security selection, the scheme closely identifies trends across various sectors and themes and creates a broad universe of stocks that are shortlisted based on innovative trends. With a bias towards growth investment style, they choose companies across market caps and sectors while giving due importance to valuation. All this with an aim to generate higher returns in the long term. Now, is this the suitable scheme for you? This scheme is suited for investors who wish to participate in innovation across various sectors and geographies and have investment horizon of 5 years and above. To summarize, here are some key takeaways of this scheme. So discover the potential of innovation and invest in the future by choosing ICICI Prudential Innovation Fund today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.